世界上没有更大吨位的轮式起重机，只有4000吨，只有我们这儿有。
Welcome to our special feature on one of the most impressive feats of engineering in the world today. I'm here at Suzhou Construction Machinery Group, or XCMG, where the world's largest wheeled crane was developed. Join me as we get a first-hand look at this extraordinary machine in action.
我们的4000吨是指它的最大起重量达到了4000吨。那么这个最大起重量呢，实际上是在它最短臂长的情况下，最小的作业半径下的一个起重能力。对于我们这个产品来讲，就是在22.5米的臂长，大2米幅度的情况下的一个吊重量。这款起重机呢，更重要的呢，实际上是它高空的吊重能力，因为它主要用于干风电。它在170米的高度，吊重量达到230吨的这么一个起重量，这个能力呢，其实相比其他产品已经是强了很多倍。
How heavy is 230 tons? Imagine lifting over 200 cars to a height of 170 meters, keeping the crane cab stable and allowing operators to maneuver the crane with precise movements. The difficulty of such lift is indeed immense.
那我们就去追求这样的一个吨位的一个突破是为什么呢？
主要还是为了我们这个国内应对这个风电市场的，满足风电市场吊装的这个需求。因为风电市场它发展很迅速，它要想快速的发展，它就需要一种高效的吊装设备。我们这种移动式起重机这种轮式的起重机，它的优势就是转场效率快，它有轮子，它跑得快，它可以很快速的伸展，它的吊装效率是非常高的，它可以干完这台风机到另外一台机位上去，它很迅速。
Developing the XCF 4000 was a complex undertaking. It took a team of about 100 researchers who worked on it for around 2 years. The XCF 4000 enables 20 to 30% reduction in time required to install the wind turbine, significantly improving efficiency in wind power projects. The crane exemplifies China's rapid development of manufacturing, fueled by workers' efforts and technological innovation.
Especially in China, I see a huge enthusiasm on technology, actually much more than in other areas of the world. China is actually out of, again, every place in the world I've been, the most enthusiastic place for technology. Our products are technologically quite superior to the products of our Western competition.
What drove you as a foreign expert to join a Chinese manufacturing company?
The question is very simple, to make the world a better place. And I think working in a dynamic, growing environment like a Chinese company gives me this opportunity more than anything else on this planet.
Why?
Yes, because we are stronger, we are more enthusiastic, we are willing to grow. And this is something that I don't see in other places.
75 years ago, China couldn't even make a car or an airplane. However, today, China's domestically produced C919 large aircraft and the first domestically built large cruise ship have entered commercial operations. The country also manufactured over 80% of the world's solar modules, more than 70% of wind power equipment, and about half of the world's new energy vehicles. Industrial value added has surged from 12 billion yuan in 1952 to 39.9 trillion yuan in 2023. China has maintained its global leadership for 14 consecutive years in terms of manufacturing scale. Today, the sector is undergoing a more intelligent and environmentally friendly transformation.